mission. By 2027, CNU, a globally recognized institution as agile and technologically proof smart campus, create smart campus. CNU mission. Developing graduates equipped with world-class competencies and imbued with positive values for them to be future-proof ready and become great leaders, professionals, and stewards in their chosen vocation and of the society amidst destructive, volatile, uncertain, complex, ambiguous, and divergent devocad conditions.
Quality policy. Cebu Normal University commits to deliver excellence in instruction, research, and extension services for global competitiveness. To meet increasing levels of customer demand, delight statutory, regulatory, and international standards through continuous quality improvement, transparency, and good governance.
Towards this end, university goals and aspirations are aligned to the institution's strategic direction, university charter, and government strategies global for global preservation and poverty alleviation. Quality management principles of customer focus, effective and efficient leadership in all levels, people engagement, process approach, evidence-based decision-making, and relationship management are observed.
Ensure compliance with the commitment, relevant and responsive virtual and/or physical monitoring, review, and upgrading of service delivery are implemented. Quality objectives. Increase average passing percentage of board examination programs by 20% of the national passing. Ensure 80% cohort survivals of graduates and undergraduate programs. Increase number of publication in the referred reputable journals. Increase technical advisory extension services that are responsive and timely to the needs of the community. Timely completion of financial accountability reports. Increase satisfaction customer index in all services of the university. Through fast-tracking of services in compliance with Delivery Service Charter. Institute timely risk management protocol in order to mitigate effects of risk in its various process deliveries. Ensure confidentiality of records and/or information and compliance with the provisions of relevant statutory requirements.